end of the line?
Nope.
Crazy.
Boom, there you go.
Right in the middle, answer industry.
Alright, we made it inside. Thank you.
There's maps in here. This is an updated schedule. There's some postcards if you want any of those. And I need your left wrist. And if you decide to leave it, I'll make sure you leave your wristband on if you want to get back in, okay?
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Hey guys, Night Sky back with another vlog. As you can tell, we're in Wizard World Comic Con right now. And oh my gosh, we had like a huge line today, so we had to wait maybe about 30 minutes just to get in here. Registration's back here, so we're gonna go to a couple of showrooms and yeah, I'll take you guys along, so let's go.
That is really cool.
Alright, so baggage is all checked out. We're gonna head up and we're gonna check out some showroom floors. It's still raining probably, so that's why my hair is a little bit wet, but nonetheless, we're gonna have a great time. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a second.
We're gonna be here for a while. Alright. Oh, let's go Princess Daisy, I think. That's cool. It's a whole kind of cosplay costume store. They got a whole bunch of stuff here.
Deadpool jacket.
Nice. I see Spider-Man. I see Goku. Nice. And all this cool weaponry too. Some nice masks. So as you can see, I just got the Master Sword. It was $20. It wasn't that bad. And it's pretty long. But it's definitely a good thing to add to the collection. So yeah. Thank you.
Alrighty.
Wow, this is really cool.
Like we sell the game for like the SNES.
Dinosaur
Well, now I'm home right now, guys, and I'm gonna do my best to edit this and hopefully get this up by the end of the day. But thank you guys so much for watching. I know I haven't posted everything in a while, but I guess I'm back now. And leave a like if you liked it. Subscribe. The goal is to get to 200 by the end of the year. And comment what your favorite cosplay picture was. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Night Sky out. Peace.
Crazy.